Living in a virtual world isn't easy when our life itself isn't virtual. Staying away from the people you are already connected to isn't easy. Yes, we can still be with them virtually, but it's virtually, right? Looking into the eyes of your loved ones continuously without blinking and then holding their hand isn't same now, right? Hitting on the back of your best friend for no reason isn't possible virtually. Trolling your best friend isn't same now. Yeah, I can see him laugh, but I can just see him. Virtual day-to-day life. My friend's hug would charge me up so much that everything would start fresh after we hug each other. Now, virtual hellos and so-called goodbyes. When we are already far away from each other, in our rooms, we can never feel people leaving when they are actually leaving. But we can feel it only after they leave. How can I take a goodbye when we people are already apart and just meeting in a virtual world? I'm kind of a person who generally never liked to meet anyone in person. But now I'm dying to meet people in person. Handshakes, hugs, hitting each other's face, kicking my friends and getting one back, looking into people's eyes, surprising them with surprise visits and hanging out with people. I miss everything. I don't know, but tomorrow isn't looking similar to yesterday, and I am afraid of that. I wouldn't fear an oblivion for sure, but living a life in virtual world is just nothing. I would prefer an end with everyone than a fresh start or a continuation virtually. We as whole are just hoping things to be back to normal soon. But deep inside we know it will not be the same. Sitting beside a person and talking to a person with any virtual medium cannot be seen. I know everyone will agree and everyone already know it. What more can I say? Even I am in a closed room recording this and uploading this virtually. The same thing that I am criticizing about. See how the life changed. Most of us wanted our everyday life to be similar to today. And now we are running away from it. Each and every one of us. Because life, we have life in us. And living in a virtual world isn't easy when our life itself isn't virtual.